Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna bring to you about Acheron's Camunda connector for Google Cloud Storage and Transcoder. So let me give you an overview of them. So before going into the overview, let me introduce myself. I'm Rajkumaran Malli and I take care of all the pre-sales activities at Acheron. Overall, I have an experience of 9 plus years and I come from a strong technical background from business process modeling to case modeling to handling digital asset management, anything around media and workflow. I specialize in that. So if you are new to Acheron, let me also introduce about Acheron. So Acheron, we have 10 plus years of experience in the field of business process modeling and case management workflows. And we have applications spanning across media and entertainment, insurance, life sciences, print, energy, etc. So if you ask me, Raj, what's your one specialty, right? If you ask me that question, I would say we are specialized in media and media related workflows, right? So that would summarize what we bring to the table. So we also support a lot of powerhouses brands across media, insurance, and publishing and broadcasting. Uh, and We also take the complete ownership from the implementation, customization, integration between various enterprise platforms, and migrating application from A to B, etc. So that's a gist about Acheron. So now, to tell you in a nutshell what we offer 360-degree of services, from technology consulting to manage services, manage hosting, and we also have our own package solution specifically tailor made for specific industries, right? And if you see our enterprise partners and technology stack, I believe this should summarize what we work with, right? So this is the top of the cream layer, I would say. So let's talk about the connector, right? So we want to talk about both Google Cloud Storage connector and the transcoder part. So as part of Google Cloud Storage, let's say with our connector for Camunda, you would be able to upload your files from your server to Google Cloud Platform, right? Similarly, you would be able to download something from the cloud to your server or the Camunda environment or your target environment. And similarly, you can delete them. So these are the three operations what we support as part of the connector. So all you have to do is in a activity, select the connector. Once it's if you have installed it, you can select the connectors and provide in the configurations. It's all done. So in your BPM, all you have to do is just provide in the parameters for your required operations, and the connector should take care of the rest. Similar to that, the transcoder for the Google Cloud Platform, it can also do all the media related operations for your video files. Like let's say you want to change the frame rate of a video file, you can do that. If you want to change the resolution of it, you should be able to do that. If you want to get job status, you should be able to do that. And all these operations, whatever you see, either you can do it one by one as an individual activity, or you can even give a bulk job and say that, hey Google transcoder, can you do everything in a shot for me and generate me an output, and the connector should be able to support you and perform that operation and provide you the output file at your target location. So that's a gist of what these two connectors can do for you, right? So rather than speaking with decks, I want to go and show you a live demo where let's take a use case. We have a, let's assume that we have a video file which I want to reduce the resolution of it, and let's reduce the frame rate of it. Once this is done, I also wanted to uh, uh, upload a caption file and merge that with my video. So this is what I want to achieve it overall, right? And the file is currently on my network drive where my Camunda instance is running. So let's say I want to take that file, push it to my Google Cloud, process this, and have my output generated. So this is what I want to do as part of my demo, right? So let's see how this can be achieved with the connectors. So let's get started. So I'm going to show this demo on my local machine where I have a self-managed instance of Camunda. So this is the container environment where I am running everything. And I also have a couple of files which I'm going to use for this demo, right? So one is demo.mp4, that's my video file, which is currently at the full resolution 1080, and also I have a caption file which I'm going to use it for merging with my video, right? So these are the two files. So what I'll do is let me also open ffmpeg which is running on my local, so that I can show you the exact specification of these two files, so that it would be much better, right? So I have executed this command, and if you see my demo.mp4 file, it is currently 1080 resolution, and you can also see the frame rate, which is 30 frames per second, which is 29.97. It's 30 frames per second, right? So this is the file which we are gonna play around with, right? And as part of the demo, we are going to bring the resolution to 720 and also reduce the frame rate and merge the caption file and generate an output. So that's what we are going to do. So let me also show you how is my cloud storage is looking like, right? So this is my bucket Camunda connector, and I also have a couple of folders inside it uh, here, a nested structure, and that specific demo folder has a staging input directory and also an output directory where I'm going to store all my output files, right? So the input also has a couple of subdirectory for processing it, but let's not go deep inside that, right? So that's the structure what I have organized for me to keep it in. So let me also go to my modeler, BPM modeler, and I'm gonna start designing my workflow, right? My BPM. So let me put in an activity, right? So this is going to be my process where I'm gonna upload the video, right? So let me give the name. So I'm gonna upload the video file, right? And similarly, next once uploaded, I also wanted to upload the subtitle file, correct? So I'm gonna say uploading caption file here. Then last, I want to do the transcoding, right? So it's up to you. Transcoding, you can give all those commands in single shot where you get one final output, or if you want to do it in stage by stage, you want to do a QC in between, whether it's automated or manual, it's up to you, right? So you can use this connector in different ways and do it. So I'm going to select this particular activity, and if you see that I have installed both the connectors here, and I'm going to use my the cloud storage connector for this, right? I'm going to select that, and as soon as you do that, right, I have three operations here, and I'm going to select upload. I'm going to give the source file path from where I'm going to process it. I'm going to give my target and my bucket name, right? So let me fill in all these informations, right? So let me copy my file path from my local as an input, and I'm gonna give my bucket or the target path where I need to upload the file in. So let me give the folder structure too for that. So I'm gonna put it on my input staging folder, and what's my bucket name? I'm gonna configure that too, right? So I'm done with that activity. I'm all good, right? So similar to that, I'm gonna do it for caption. So instead of that mp4 file, I'm gonna just point it to the caption file. So let me select the GCS one. So let me copy my str file. So let me put the target path again. Let me copy that. So this is where I want to put it. So let me again copy paste the bucket name, Camunda connector. So I'm all good with this too. So last, let's go on to the transcoding, right? So let me select this time transcoder connector, right? And I'm gonna select the operation I wanna do transcode and add caption to the video, right? The operation. Uh, so once selected, all these parameters are mandatory for this operation. So I need to tell all these information. So what I need to do, what should be there, done, and everything. So let me quickly fill up all these information so that we can proceed. So I'm going to give the bucket name. Let me also put my output bucket where I need to put it, output folder. I'll also say where is the str file. So let me also put my project name and my GCP location which I want to use, and let me also put in the details like frame rate what I want to reduce, my resolution. I'll select 720 and my width. So all done. So let me go and save this, and let me also deploy this, right? So it's all deployed, good. So let's go and test this out. So let's go and start this process instance. So it started. Now if I go back to my instance, so if you can see that the instance has completed now, and if I now go to my transcoder output staging files, so this was the input. You see that we uploaded two files. It's available here now. You can check out the created date, and also if I go to my output file, it's gonna take a couple of seconds, right? So you can see that all the output files are here, right? Now let me download my output ts file and show you the details about it, right? So it's downloaded, good. So let me open this file in ffmpeg and show you the details about it. So here's the details. So if you see the frame rate, it has reduced, and similarly if you see the resolution, it went to 720 and 1280, right? And if you also see, I'm able to play it, and we also uploaded the str file that to be in embedded. So let me select my subtitle track, and if my play it, you should be able to see that subtitle coming up in the video, right? So it should come now. Yep. So you can see that this is the text what I gave on my str file, and it's coming on the video. So this was a quick overview about our connectors. So if you want to know more about our connectors, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.